This is my website for Homework 8. So on the landing page here, we have two different ways to navigate the site. There are these two cards down here that each have links to the various pages to fulfill the requirements. Additionally, on the nav bar here, we can see that these three links, add, athlete, meet, and result, can be found here as well. And for the other one, view table and view graph can be found under statistics. So let's go ahead and walk through the acceptance criteria. So we can go to add new athlete. We're supposed to be adding Ulster. And she is on the North Salem High School team and competes for girls. So first, actually, we do this. If we try to add when there isn't something there, it'll turn red. So it'll indicate to the user that you can't add something without having the name. Additionally, if we didn't select a gender, same thing. And then the team name is, there's always a team name there. So, which is competing for girls. And you can go ahead and add that. And your entry was added to the system. Okay. Next part of criteria one, or requirement one, is to add a new meet. So we can either go home or we can go to the nav bar and use meet. So new location, just going to copy and paste. A Centennial Invitation in Gresham, and we can use the date picker here to get the date for it. It's 2019-6/7, so yeah. And then we can go ahead and add that. And again, this is the same kind of filtering here, so if you don't put in a location, it'll turn red. If you don't put in a date, it'll tell you you're wrong. You can't do it. So, yeah. Okay, entry is added to the system. Good. And then now we need to go to the results. So here we have drop downs. So first, if we try to add, it'll tell, hey, there's nothing here. So we can go ahead and let's find our newest athlete. And she's running the 800. And so I have both boys and girls for each distance. So you can't add a girl to a boys event. For example, if I do this, and the time was 138.05. If I add this, it'll tell us no, because an athlete cannot compete outside their gender. So we're going to go ahead and select girls 800. I can add that. And the entry is out of the system. Okay, so now on to the acceptance criteria for requirement number 2. We want to be able to view all of them as a graph. So let's go ahead and go to statistics and go to table, or not a graph, I'm sorry, a table. Go to table. I'll look for a second. Okay, so now we can choose an athlete name and then we can get the stats. So we can get all of the stats for Taylor. And we can see they are organized exactly the same way as the coach wanted them. And then at the bottom we can either go back, which will take us back here to select another athlete, or we could have hit home to go straight home. Requirement number 3 was to be able to display as a graph. So we can go ahead and hit view graph. And here we have the team name, the name of the athlete, and the event. So if you try to select one of these for here, you can't because those lists haven't been generated yet because it's dependent on the team name. So we're going to go ahead and pick a team. So let's go Central High School. And then as soon as we select that one, we can now pick a member of that team. We still can't pick an event yet, so let's pick April. And then now we can select one of the events. We go to 100. And then it generates this nice graph for us. And then if we want, we can switch it on the fly, just like that. And then if we were to select a different team, it clears out these two. So, well, it clears out the first one, or the last one. We can now select a new athlete and see how they were doing in all of their events. So yeah, that's pretty much it.